Hi guys! Good morning! Today we are not going to unbox anything. Yay! Oh guys, bakit hindi na lang kaya kayo yung mag-isip kung ano ang i-unbox natin from Lazada? Di ba maganda yon? Ang budget natin for this one is 500 pesos. Okay, so ang mechanics is pipili kayo ng dalawang items sa Lazada. And dapat pareho lang yung functions, pero magkaiba yung brand. Okay, so yung first item, dapat dami siyang good reviews, pero yung price niya is medyo mahal. Then the second item is dapat mura siya, pero wala siyang review. Okay, so for example, first item natin is worth 300 pesos. Tapos yung second item natin is worth 150 pesos. Okay? So guys, bakit ko nga ba ito naisip? Kasi, na-realize ko lang, from my shopping experience from Lazada since 2016, pag may hinahanap o sinesearch akong item, ang dami-daming choices na lumalabas. Pero, in reality, wala ka din namang choice, kundi piliin at bilhin yung maraming good reviews. Kahit na maraming same items na mas hamak na mura yung price, kaso nga lang, walang review. So, no choice ka kundi bilhin yung may madaming good reviews kahit mahal siya. Kasi, ayaw natin or ayaw kong mag-risk. Baka hindi maganda yung items o kaya hindi natin magustuhan yung item. So, that's it guys. Okay, so comment down below the item description from Lazada, yung price, and the seller. Okay, so guys, yung presyo, paki-comment na lang in words. Okay, so for this one guys pala, yung item category is anything na magagamit natin ngayong tag-ulan. Okay? Kung sino man ang mapipili, siya yung makakatanggap ng item na i-review natin for free, of course. Okay, so ipamimigay natin siya. So guys, what are you waiting for? Subscribe now and don't forget to comment down below. And also please like, share, and watch my other videos. Have a nice day!